Gilbert?
Well, regarding the comeback of Meralco from first half to second half until the last quarter, they were able to cut the lead to 2. So that's a really scary moment for us. But because of the experience of the players, especially Junmar Pajardo and some of last third, and they know how to win, how to deal that kind of situation. And we know that this is a very historical game. And before the game, I told him this is a huge game for us. And besides that, so of course, this is all Filipino, and we want to redeem ourselves from the last conference we got. And I'm so happy for them because from the start to finish, they didn't lose their composure, and then were able to dictate the tempo of the game.
All right, one question for Junmar. Ito, I will take advantage dahil special tayo ngayon. This is a very memorable game, not only for you, I'm sure, kasi sa mga fans mo at sa lahat ng miyembro ng PBA community. Seryosong tanong, Junmar, ilang beses mo naalala throughout the game na isa ka nga pala sa 50 of the greatest basketball players in the country?
Una, salamat kami dyan na mag-enjoy sa game na to. Yun, di ko iniisip yung focus lang sa game. Kung ano yung goal namin. Tonight is yung panalo yung game kasi sabi nga ni coach, sabi nga ni Pops, two games na natalo kami sunod-sunod sa kanila. So kailangan namin i-redeem nga yung sarili namin. So yung goal namin makaharap sa finals na this conference. So yun yung goal namin. So focus kami sa goal. And then yun yung 50 greatest thankful ako doon, pero di ko nisip yun. Thank you. Sir.
Oh yeah, you really deserve it. Spectacular performance, 28 points, 10 rebounds, and 4 assists. Congratulations once again, our player of the game. And we have to open the floor now to the members of the press corps for your questions.
To both gentlemen, congratulations. Tonight kasi retro team game, sa Memorial Coliseum, retro jerseys, ang reaction lang dun sa yung tema ng game tonight.
Well, for me, nung dumating ako dito sa Rizal Memorial, talagang maraming memorable moments for me. Dahil in my amateur days, most of my games I played in Rizal Memorial. When I was in Lyceum, we won the championship in Rizal Memorial. And then in Masagana, we won 6 championships in the national seniors consecutive. That's why Rizal Memorial is really dear to me. That's why when I got here, I know where to go. And nagugusbam ako dahil parang reminiscing ganyan. And then that's why before this game, so I really wanted to win because there's something special in this place, and I'm so happy with the players because they didn't give up nung lumalamang kami at sinabol kami. But I'm expecting them not to do well because in practice it's very evident na they want to win. And that's the thing na we instill to the mind of the player na for us to win, so we have to work harder because there's a lot of teams playing really well and catching up with the kind of talent they have. Nakaka-level up na sila. And this is an all Filipino. It's not an easy game to win the teams because you can see it naman yung first game talagang napakagagaling na ng mga team. But we have to step up to the next level for us to be competitive.
Siyempre nostalgic yung team mga yan kasi napapanood ko yung mga ganung klase na games, yung mga sa YouTube lang yung black and white pa yung mga yung camera, pero yan, masaya kami na sana may mga games ulit na retro yung
So ano lang yung naging pag-uusap niyo after nung nakahabol yung Meralco? Ano lang yung pag-usapan niyo? Naglalawin niyo ba talaga na dalhin yung bola kay Junmar after yung comeback?
Yeah, usually I'm giving time the players to realize it, but unfortunately during that time, they were able to make it and we're not making some shot. So I called a timeout and I told them so you know what to do. We should go to the high percentage shooting and we should have we don't settle for a good shot. We want to settle for a better shot or best shot. Fortunately, Wami and CJ was able to connect a lot from the perimeter, especially CJ dahil crucial yung mga tira niya nun nung hinahabol na kami. But of course, everybody alam naman nila na in the end game, we always go to our bread and butter, and that's the reason why our perimeter shooter talagang maganda yung ginawa nila because Junmar at the post. So give and take yan and slowly they're realizing the importance of the system we're trying to run.
Coach, yung game next week is against Magnolia, parehong 2-0 and both teams something to prove after last conference na pareho.
It will be a huge game for us in Magnolia, but I'm really worried about Magnolia because they're playing a lot better. You can see it naman in this first game. From start to finish, they're using a 6 big man. Okay, and we have only 4. But we will see. But they are in top shape. And during our tune-up game, we're able to compete with them. And the result is, although we lost in the tune-up game, but we're so happy because we're able to level up to the kind of intensity they're displaying during the time. And you can see it naman in our game. And the first half talagang relentless yung defense nila. And I'm expecting na it will be an exciting game.
Diba, meron kayong moment ni Mr. Jimmy Lodisada kanina yung binanggaran niya before the start of the game. Kumusta lang yung nag-usap ba kayo?
Wala. Binanggaran niya ako siya. Pero isa yung mga grades So, and sila yung mga nilulook up ko. So, sila yung mga role models. So,
Kaya binanggayan ni Noblesada, tinitingnan niya kung talagang Ironman pa rin siya. Ganyan, bumangga sa pader. So,
uwi na nga pa.
Uwi na.
May memory ka rin ba ni Coach Jimmy Lodisada?
Yeah, actually, nung retired na siya, sa mga 40 above, 50 above, nagkakalaro kami. And he's really a very brilliant player. He knows how to use his physical gifted siya. And then, nung araw, basketball, hindi katulad ngayon talagang napapag-aralan yung mga skills Nung araw talagang puso And makikita mo yung panggugulang na andun yung panggugulang, that means today, ang sinasabi doon, technique Ganyan. So, ma-appreciate mo sila noon. Talagang pagka naglaro sila, makikita mo, di ba? Nung araw, merong no harm, no foul. To the point nga, sometimes no blood, no foul. And walang pikunan yung mga player.
Yung kalasa lang, after naging nagkaano kayo ni Bertocao?
Ano naman, si Coach Boy kasi nakalaban kasi namin siya sa Cebu. Siya yung head coach ng UV. So, may kami. Pinagsamahan din. I mean, hindi naman pinagsamahan pero magkakilala kami. So, taas yung respeto. So. Bate? Mama, Papa, Lolo Berting, Jay, Vance, Kendra, Luisio, Kinkin, Attorney Stenson family, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta ng San Miguel, House Gaming, Kraken Apparel, House of Kraken and J Car Wash, Ano ba nakalimutan nyo? Sir Fresco, salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless sa atin. Happy anniversary sa PBA.
Pwede rin ako. And the Rodriguez family from Quezon, they will be having a grand reunion coming from different places in the world. Enjoy your time in Sariaya, Quezon. And then alam ko marami naghihintay sa game na to. And keep on watching the PBA. This is our main source of entertainment. And I know we're a basketball crazy nation. And then keep on supporting us.
Trades and needles and we're daily there sa amin din yun. So, ayun, kung gusto nyo mga t-shirts, so we're daily tayo.
Happy birthday to my daughter.